LG may have exited the smartphone market, but OnePlus and TCL are stepping in with sleek, affordable options. One standout is the TCL 20 Pro 5G, a stunning smartphone priced at just $499.99. With premium design, strong performance, and an impressive display, it delivers flagship features at half the cost. The 20 Pro 5G is a beautifully crafted device measuring 6.5 by 3.0 by 0.40 inches and weighing 7.3 ounces. It's sleek yet comfortable for one-handed use. The glass body, aluminum frame, and subtle texture on the back provide grip and elegance. It comes in gray or blue. On top, there's a headphone jack. The bottom houses a USB-C port, SIM slot, and speaker grill. A smart key on the left allows customizable app access, while the volume rocker and power button sit on the right. The camera setup is refreshingly flush with the back, no bulky bumps here. The TCL 20 Pro 5G boasts a 6.6-inch AMOLED display with a 2400 by 1080 resolution, HDR10 certification, and 395 pixels per inch. Thanks to TCL's Next Vision 2.0 AI-powered display engine, colors are accurate, contrast is excellent, and images adapt to lighting conditions. While its glass and aluminum build feels premium, the curved display and backplate make it vulnerable to drops. It's water-resistant to splashes, but lacks full waterproofing. A sturdy case is recommended. The 20 Pro 5G runs on the Snapdragon 750G with 6GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, expandable via microSD. It handles multitasking smoothly and runs games like Genshin Impact without lag. Benchmarks put it on par with the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G, but in real use, the 20 Pro 5G feels snappier. It supports LTE and sub-6 GHz 5G on T-Mobile and Verizon, but lacks C-band support for AT&T. In speed tests on T-Mobile's 5G in Chicago, it hit 132 Mbps down and 72.7 Mbps up. One downside, there's a single bottom firing speaker instead of stereo. However, sound quality is good, maxing out at 92 dB. It supports high-res audio, Bluetooth 5.1 with Super Bluetooth for connecting 4 wireless headphones at once, and a 3.5mm jack for wired listening. With a 4500 mAh battery, TCL claims all-day use. In tests, it lasted 11 hours and 28 minutes of HD video streaming. It supports Quick Charge 3.0 and wireless charging. TCL has upgraded its camera game. The primary and ultra-wide lenses perform well in good light, producing sharp images with natural depth. Low-light shots with the main lens are impressive, with minor detail loss in the background. The ultra-wide struggles slightly in very low light, but still delivers decent shots. The macro lens works surprisingly well. Compared to other mid-range phones under $500, the Pixel 4a 5G leads, but the 20 Pro 5G outperforms the Galaxy A52 5G in low light. Running Android 11 with TCL UI, the phone offers minimal but useful tweaks. TCL promises 2 years of software and security updates, less than Samsung's 3 years, but comparable to Android One phones. For T-Mobile users, the TCL 20 Pro 5G is a fantastic mid-range phone with a stunning display, solid performance, and great cameras. AT&T and Verizon customers should consider alternatives like the Google Pixel 4a 5G for better network support. If you can't spend more, the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G is another great option. That's a wrap on the TCL 20 Pro 5G. If you're looking for premium features at a budget-friendly price, this might just be your next phone.